Namaste, my dear friends, colleagues, and students. I, Sadhu Prakash, faculty of Room Division at Vivekananda Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, welcomes you all. Here I am to introduce Muhim Ek Koshish, a new initiative of our institute. This campaign will be a series of videos where every new video will give you important information related to COVID-19. To make this video series successful, our precious jewels of the institute, few of our talented students are part of the campaign who will meet you soon with various topics related to COVID-19. The institute has decided to do this campaign to keep our students updated, motivated during this pandemic situation, as you all are at your home and getting bored. So here we are with the innovative approach to connect with you all, and this series will definitely help you to understand that how you can make this quarantine or this lockdown situation more successful and more learning. To start the campaign, I would like to be the first speaker of the series, and today I'll share the important information on Arogya Setu. Arogya Setu is a COVID-19 tracking mobile application developed by National Informatics Center that comes under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. The stated purpose of this application to spread the awareness and to connect essential health services to the people and every single citizen of India. This is a tracking app which uses GPS and Bluetooth features which is available in every smartphone. This helps to track the coronavirus infection. Arogya Setu is available for Android as well as for iOS mobile operating system. Using Bluetooth technology, this Arogya Setu application, it helps to determine the risk if someone has been near to the COVID-19 positive patient within the less distance of 6 feet. And the GPS helps to track the location of the bearer as well as it helps that in which area any corona positive patient have been detected. Arogya Setu is available in 11 languages, and it is expected that very soon it will be launched in more of languages too. Till now, Arogya Setu have been the fastest growing application worldwide, and more than 5 million users were there within the 13 days of the launch. So within 13 days of launch, it has grabbed that figure and become the fastest downloaded or maximum used application worldwide. But yes, still many people of India, many citizens of India have not downloaded it. So today I'll try to make them understand that why we should do it. Arogya Setu is very easy to use app. You can download it from the Google Play and then you can install it in your mobile, and then you require to register it. For registration, it will ask you for the basic details including your mobile number. As soon as you will enter your mobile number, it will send a OTP, one-time password to you. Immediately as soon as you will put the OTP, your mobile number is registered. That's it. In the next step, you require to enter some other basic details like your name, your gender, and after that you can assess yourself that whether you have any danger from corona or not, or you are in safe zone. For that you require to assess yourself, and for the self assessment you require to share some information related to your travel history and your health status. It will ask you few of the questions and it will provide you options as well. With the help of those options, you can mark if you have any kind of symptoms according to the question. At the end of the result of the assessment, you will get to know that whether you are in danger from corona or everything is fine or you are in a safe zone. That will be very easy for you to understand. In other features of the app, you can read the guidelines, you can read the precautions that how to stay safe from corona. You can also update yourself with the latest facts or the latest precautionary generated by the government of India. And now the next question arises that how it will help you to stay away from corona affected person. For that, you just need to do a simple thing. Whenever you go out from the home, you just require to put your Bluetooth and your GPS on. That's it. Rest of the things, Arogya Setu app will take care of it. Now, I will tell you that how it works or how it helps you to get the information correctly. It is done because the government of India has updated the mobile number and the other basic details for all the COVID-19 patients into the database of this mobile application app. So as soon as that mobile number which was ever active with any corona patient, if that mobile number is active near to you, it means that this person is corona affected or ever he has been affected from corona. So if that person is near to you, the immediately with the help of Bluetooth you will get a notification and it will tell you to stay away from that place. With the help of GPS, it will track your travel location so that wherever you are going, so it will track your path. And if you are in such a place where before or earlier any corona patient have been detected, then it will immediately give you information that in this area the corona patient have been detected, because as I have told you that in the basic details it also includes the address of that person, the location of that person. So with the help of the mobile number database, it will help you to get to know about the person, and with the help of GPS or the location information, it will let you know that you are in safe location or not. So this is very simple. That's how it works. I think it is very simple, and now you all have understood, and now you all will download the app and to stay safe from COVID-19. We all are aware that in this situation, especially in Ahmedabad, the infection of the corona is growing rapidly like anything. So in this stage, we must adopt this application. By adopting this application, you are keeping yourself a step far from corona. You are helping your family, you are helping your friends, you are helping your near and dear ones. Moreover that, you are making your life safe. So I'm sure that all of you must have understood that how come this application is going to help you out and why Arogya Setu app is important for you. How come this application is going to keep you and your family safe from COVID-19. So what are you waiting for? Just go open your mobile and download this application and start using it immediately. Apart from that, I'm sure that you all are aware that we have entered into third phase of lockdown, where the government has divided the whole country into three phases: orange zone, red zone and green zone, where the government has made compulsory for the people staying in red zone and orange zone that they have to download this application and they require to register themselves, and it's a compulsion from the government. And our city Ahmedabad is in red zone, so for us it is more important to download this application to stay away from corona. So please download this application, and I again recommend you all, and I request that you people also recommend to the others who have still not downloaded this application. I hope you have liked this video, and for such important information related to current situation and related to COVID-19, you all will be getting more and more updates. Stay tuned with us, stay tuned with Vikan Institute of Management. Keep following us and stay tuned with Muhim Ek Koshish. Till then, I wish you health, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.